Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change your avatar in Oculus app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to change avatar in Oculus app, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you open the app, you need to now simply tap on the menu option. So once you have tapped on the menu option as well, you need to now tap on your name, which is on the top of the page. So once you have done this, you will end up in this interface. So simply tap on edit avatar. So once you tap on edit avatar, you can simply change the features of your avatar, like their face, appearances, or their closet as well. And once you have changed it, you need to hit the save button. So once you have hit the save button, your updates will now be saved and your avatar will be changed accordingly to your preference. So furthermore, you can even tap on the pencil like icon in your name or avatar and then simply choose different kind of profile picture that is available to change your avatar from your previous one to a new profile picture. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.